Does your organization work with multiple systems for sales, marketing, finance, operations, and HR? If so, the data from each business function is locked away in isolated silos, disconnected from the rest of your business. Most business intelligence tools are able to provide quick analysis and reporting when accessing a single data source. However, analyzing individual data silos produces limited insight and limited value. As your data expands beyond a single system, most dashboards simply cannot cope, leading to incomplete reporting and analysis, or time-consuming manual data processing, open to error and inaccuracy. To advance your business as a whole, and transcend the limited impact of analysis by individual function, you need a system that connects the data from all business functions into a unified hub. Fortunately, this once complex problem now has a simple, effective solution. ZAP Data Hub is data management automation software that can connect to any data source, be it on-premise or in the cloud, and get straight to work, preparing data for game-changing insight that transforms the results you achieve from your BI tool, be it Tableau, Power BI, or any other self-service system. ZAP Data Hub is the way to automate your data collection and integration. Unify and prepare your data for secure, accurate self-service reporting and analysis with your chosen BI tool, and protect against the risks and implications of data security breaches and inaccuracies, making it possible to analyze your entire business by process and objective rather than individual function, and deliver consolidated views of your financial performance across individual business units or groups of businesses on demand. This means that the 5 most important data challenges, data collection, unification, integration, preparation, and governance, become simple app-based tasks that can be completed in minutes, rather than days, weeks, or months. Maximizing productivity and maximizing profit from the moment you're set up far into the future.